In today's video, I'll guide you through the process of creating and selling logos on LogoGround in 2024. This platform offers an opportunity to earn anywhere from $200 to $400 or even more per sale for your logo designs. All you need is a smartphone or a laptop and a stable internet connection to get started. LogoGround provides a lucrative avenue for graphic designers to earn a substantial income, with potential monthly earnings ranging from $11,000 to $2,500 or more. The key to success lies in delivering high-quality, unique designs that cater to the demands of discerning clients. The platform's success is attributed to two primary factors: the exceptional quality of logos available and the mindset of its clientele. Clients visiting LogoGround are willing to invest significant sums for top-notch designs, akin to the premium prices associated with high-end products like iPhones. To begin selling on LogoGround, the first step is to sign up for a seller's account. This process is straightforward and requires basic information such as your name, email, and PayPal account details. Once registered, you'll need to upload your logos in JPEG or EPS format. It's important to note that each logo undergoes scrutiny by the platform's community and administrators before being listed. This ensures that only high-quality original designs are showcased on the website. While the platform offers immense earning potential, it's essential to understand the associated costs and fees. Creating an account and uploading logos are free, with sellers receiving 85% of the sale amount. Additionally, sellers are expected to collaborate with clients on revisions and requests to maintain customer satisfaction. To get started, navigate to LogoGround's website and complete the registration process. Once your account is activated, you can begin uploading logos and customizing your profile. Remember to provide a brief description of yourself as a designer and upload a profile picture to enhance your credibility. Achieving success on LogoGround requires diligence and creativity. Aim to upload a minimum of 20 approved logos to index your profile and increase visibility on search engines like Google. Additionally, consider creating a diverse portfolio of designs to appeal to a broader range of clients. To expedite the logo creation process, you can utilize design tools like Canva to produce high-quality logos quickly. However, it's important to note that LogoGround does not accept AI-generated logos or descriptions. Therefore, focus on creating original designs that showcase your skills and expertise. Once your logos are ready, upload them to LogoGround, ensuring they meet the platform's specifications. Be sure to provide accurate descriptions and set competitive prices for your designs. With dedication and persistence, you can establish a lucrative income stream through logo sales on LogoGround. In summary, LogoGround offers a lucrative opportunity for graphic designers to monetize their skills and creativity. By delivering high-quality, original designs and engaging with clients effectively, you can build a successful business on the platform and generate substantial income. Subscribe to our channel now for step-by-step tutorials and expert tips. And I think that you will also like these videos. Check them out here.